Well, hello again. Well, it's that time of year. It's me 82nd birthday on the 14th of January. So, a present partly bought by my wife and myself is the parcel from TMC, and they had a Boxing Day discount, so it was 50% off, and then as you went to the checkout you had the box 10 you had to put in at the checkout, and you got another 10% off of that. So I think I got quite a bargain. So it's not actually my birthday yet when I'm making this video, but it's turned up today, the parcel, which is today is Friday the 5th, so but I can open it. I can open it and check that it's all right before we go any further. So you're wondering, well, what you got? Well, hang on and we'll have a look. Right. So there's the label on the end of the box. Right. And it's the Class 150 DMU. And these are the ones without the they don't have the corridor connector on the front ends. Right, so, and that is the regional railways one model. Right, so next job is to see that on the track after I've programmed it, because it's sound fitted, and I got it in the end for, what was it, 186.97. I couldn't find anywhere else selling it for that price. Right, oh, there we go. Happy boy, happy birthday boy. Bye for now. Right, well, here we are back in the garage. I've got all the CVs going on the for the Class 150 DMU. I've set all them up, and today is my actual birthday, January the 14th. So 82 today. Anyway, I've set it all up and it's all running nicely on the track. It's a very smooth runner, runs very nice and smooth. I was a little disappointed in the lighting effects, but it's fine really. But you've only got O on the function list. It's a function list. You've only got O lights on and off. There's no cab lights turning. You can turn individual lights on and off. No, it's lights on. So lights on are for the forward and reversing directional lights, as they call them. Directional lights and cab light. Not cab lights. The internal carriage lighting. So the whole lot comes on. It's either on or off. So I've set it up with some of the sounds. I don't bother with all of them. I've got the engine number 1, a brake number 2, two different horns. I don't bother with maximum revs notching up. Coupling I haven't bothered with. Flange squirrel I've put in, speed dependent. Carriage doors opening and closing, I've got that. I don't bother with Spirex valve. I've got guards whistle on and off. Compressed air let off, I don't bother with that. Uncoupling cycle, don't bother with that, because on the DMU they're not really uncoupling and coupling up to other carriages, are you? It's 2 carriages and there it is. AWS, I'll put that on. 18, which is higher and lower in the sound. Station announcements, I'll put that on. and I haven't bothered with anything after that manual notching, sand valve and fire bell test. I haven't bothered with. Right, so that's it's all running well. The only thing you've got the reason why they only have lights on and off that one item is because the drawbar what connects the two together is just a very small drawbar, and it's only got two wire connections on, and it's a bit delicate. I wouldn't want to keep on connecting them. I think it might be a good idea for me to order a spare drawbar. But anyway, it's only got two little fine wires what connect up, and so that is you can't get a lot of different signals through if you've only got the two wires. Whereas my old one, class 158, has got a big plug on it what connects the carriages, and that's got about six or eight connectors on the back of it. I mean, I actually thought when I was buying it it'd be similar to the class 158, where you on that you can control all the lighting. Anyway, apart from that, it looks a nice train. It runs well so far. It runs well so far, and the fact that I got it for a decent price makes it even better. So, I think that's it. Yeah. What about this Hatton's closing then? There was no talk about whether they have had put it out for sale, whether anyone else would have taken it over. I mean, what about all the people who work for them and all that? Anyway, I mean, I bought quite a few bits off of Hatton's really. Right, well, we'll do a little running session, and I'm getting a collection. I've got a collection of these DMUs now. So I've got this class 4 A466. That works out as class 466. I've got me 142. What's the other one? I've got the class 158, another one, and right, perhaps we'll have a little running session with just the DMUs running round. And of course I've got me what runs up and down on the eye level bit is what they call them. Don't really refer to it as a DMU because it's not a multiple unit, is it? It's a valve car, isn't it? We've got that, so we'll get them going. Right, so see you in a minute. I'll set that up.